Hello, it's How To Not To. So in today's video we're going to explore a forgotten Japanese laundry technique that refreshes clothes naturally. So rather than simply drying your clothes, the method uses the sun energy without washing them in the washing machine. There's a Japanese technique which is very effective, the Japanese sun dry trick that eliminates odours, no washing needed. Ancient laundry hack refreshes clothes naturally. You will rethink machine washing after this Japanese method. So we heavily rely on detergents, fabric conditioners, etc., to wash our clothes, when in fact 90% of our clothes don't even need to be washed. All they need to be is refreshed in the natural sunlight, in the natural sun. So when you do check the weather forecast and it's a sunny day, then it's best to hang your clothes outside. You don't need to use any chemicals, you just hang them outside in the sun. It's a natural process without using chemicals. Just imagine how much energy consumption you would save, how much you will save on cost. You're going to use less chemicals. It's eco-friendly as well. So what is the sun-dry trick? The technique is called in Japanese Hoshi Sosunhi. This was once common across Japanese households before modern technology took over. So yes, the sun is a very powerful tool to get your clothes clean, refreshed. It has UV rays, breaks down the surface oils and kills odour that cause bacteria. And also with the light breeze also helps odours out as well. So leave the items out for up to 2 to 3 hours, and you might want to flip them midway for even exposure. They do say that airing items on a bamboo rod enhances the airflow. As I don't have that, I'm just going to use the washing line. You can put them on a rake as well, a dryer rake like this. So yeah, lay them flat and make sure you smooth out any creases, any sleeves or collars. Then you want to rearrange them so they're flat. So let me show you how it's done. So start with clothes that aren't stained, and you can evenly lay out the clothes on the line. The sun-dried one smells lighter, feels softer as well, and holds its shape better. You'll also extend the life of the garment while slashing your energy bill. So if it's raining, what do you do then? Well, you can dry them indoors next to an open window, or add a drop of essence on your clothes. I do like to use Febreze as well to freshen my clothes. So yes, come rain or shine, you can still naturally get your clothes clean doing this method. So you can go for long periods without using detergents, if your clothes aren't stained, that is. So yeah, I would recommend doing the sun-dry trick, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. So drop a comment below, let me know. So let's keep your wardrobe fresh and our planet fresher. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.